Hey, I'm Anthony Shifflett, General Manager of Sonny's Car Wash Services of the Southeast. I really wanted to work at Sonny's because of culture and opportunity.
I've been in the car wash industry about 15 years. I started out as a territory manager in training. So as a chemical rep in training about 15 years ago. I worked in that role for 6 or 8 months and relatively quickly got promoted to territory manager. Worked in that role for a few years, went up to regional manager, and then for a few years after that, director of key accounts, and then AVP of the Eastern region. And then left the chemical portion of my career after about 13 years and into the general manager of car wash services of the Southeast here at Sonny's.
One of the best things about this job, this role, and this career is every day is different. We build car washes, we install them from the ground up, we service them, and then we sell them chemicals. So there's multiple different divisions that I'm in the field helping, meeting with customers. No typical day for me. Every day is different, and every day is a challenge, and I like that. The industry opportunities are endless. You can start out as a chemical technician and end up as a general manager or higher. Within Sonny's, we have so many different divisions. You have a vacuum division, you have a Sonny's controls division, you have chemical division, service division, and so on. Every single one of them has layers that you can move up through, and there's a path that we can show you. Transferring within the Sonny's divisions, within services or within other divisions within Sonny's is a huge opportunity. The driving force to stay at Sonny's has been, it goes all the way to the top. There's leadership from this level and up and then down. At this level, I get to develop people. It's my favorite part of the job, and take care of customers. They're my favorite things to do. I think the number one thing I like about the people that I work with here is you don't have to be somebody you're not. They appreciate you for who you are and what you bring to the division that you work with. I've never worked in a place like this. I get to come to the Southeast Division. I get to talk car washing, I get to talk college football, I get to talk about people's families. Unbelievable the amount of camaraderie and the amount of just overall care that we have for each other and that leadership on down has.
Chemistry sales within Sonny's Chemistry is a phenomenal opportunity. It can be a foundation point as it was for me, or it can be a way for you to provide for your family and learn the business ongoing. There are so many opportunities within chemistry sales to move to. You do need to start out learning the business, and chemistry sales is the way to go, in my opinion, for that.